How to calculate sphere surface area correctly. Imagine wrapping a ball with a sheet of paper so perfectly that no part is left uncovered. That's what finding the surface area of a sphere is all about. It tells us how much space the outside of the ball takes up. To get this right, you need a simple formula. The formula is surface area equals 4 times pi times the radius squared. Pi is a special number, about 3.1416. The radius is the distance from the center of the sphere to any point on its surface. If you know the diameter, which is the full distance across the sphere through the middle, just divide it by 2 to find the radius. To use the formula, first measure or find the radius. If you only have the diameter, divide it by 2. Next, multiply the radius by itself to get the radius squared. For example, if the radius is 9 inches, 9 times 9 equals 81. Then, multiply that by pi, which is about 3.1416. So, 81 times 3.1416 is roughly 254.47. Finally, multiply that by 4. 4 times 254.47 is about 1017.88. That means the surface area is approximately 1017.88 square inches. If you only know the diameter, you can use a simpler version of the formula. Just square the diameter and multiply by pi. This works because the radius is half the diameter, and the formula simplifies nicely. Knowing how to find the surface area helps in many real-life situations. For example, if you want to paint a ball or cover it with a material, knowing the surface area tells you how much material you need. It also helps in designing objects that are spherical in shape, like certain tanks or sports balls. Remember, the key steps are to find the radius, square it, multiply by pi, and then multiply by 4. This straightforward process gives you the total curved surface area of the sphere. So, next time you see a ball or a globe, you'll know exactly how to figure out its surface area with just a few simple calculations.